body, bro. Gym life. Gym life is working out at my guns. Them big shoulders. Them place on my chest. Yeah. Summer body is coming, baby. Yeah, I put on a new shirt in black. I like wearing black. I got a whole lot of black shirts. You know? Black is my favorite color. It's not a color. Shut the fuck up. It is a color. Alright? And it is my favorite color. I've been wearing a lot of black. Nah, I mean, when it comes to the crap, man, that cream not me. So I met her at the club, popping body, showing love. Let's take a trip to the other side. I used to love him and leave him. I think there's something bad to think I'm gonna keep you. Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. The time is now 4:02. I woke up 3 o'clock just now. I went to my bed early last night. I went to my bed like 9 o'clock last night, and I just woke up like 3 a.m. Right? I know it was gonna be a good week. I'm starting off the week early. Today is Monday. I took a morning shower, early morning shower. And that was everything. I forgot how good those were, you know? The morning shower is everything, to be honest. I'm going to take more morning showers and just, start my day refreshed. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm going to do my meditation right now, say my prayers, read the Bible a little bit, see if I can read. I feel like I should just, because I've been reading a lot of Psalms, and I feel like I should read like a chapter in the Bible, like a John 5 today. I wonder what John 5 is all about. Why did that come to mind? John 5, verse 5. I'm going to see what that's about, and do a meditation and all of that, and then I'll check back in with you, okay? Hi, good morning, YouTube. What's up? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm on my way to the gym. Yeah, and last night I was a movie. I went out to a few parties, party hopping and all of that. You know? I went to bed about 4 o'clock and the time is now 9 o'clock on the dot, to be honest. I'm kind of running a little bit late for my gym session. But it is what it is. And you know what I realized? I feel like I lose my touch, like I don't know how to talk to girls no more. Back in the day I used to, like back in my college days, I used to just go up to girls and talk about anything. But these days I don't really do that as much. Yeah, because you know you can't really be so direct when you're doing your stuff. I feel like I'm too direct these days. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm trying to get a little out, right? Yes, I know, I don't say that taxi man. Hold up my time. I could have been gone out and gone already. See him give me a black. See him taxi man and I thought, oh, let me in. Yes, I'm on my way to the gym now. What was I saying? I was saying, my touch. Yeah, how to talk to girls. I feel like I lost it. Because you have to talk. You know, the girls are like when they be direct. Yo, when we're going to link up? You trying to give me your number real quick? Yeah, and what I find, I feel like I'm more easily offended now these days. Because if I ask a girl for a number and she give me her Instagram, I'm offended. Why you giving me Instagram? Ask her for your number. You give me a number, ma'am. Yeah. So maybe I'm more easily offended now. Maybe it's because my priorities change and all of that. I got better things to do, other things to do, and all of that. Yeah. So I'm on my way to the gym. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, March 29th. Yeah, Tuesday, March 29th, 9:02. On my way to the gym. Deuce. Hi, what's up, YouTube? Right now I'm on my way to go get my car service. Yeah, I'm gonna service the Benz today. Yeah, the annual service. I feel like it's some people service. It depends on how often you drive it. There's a thing in the dashboard tell you that it needs to be serviced when it's time to service it. So that thing came up now, so I'm gonna service it today and see what happens. So let's do this. Yeah. They are set her up for the past 5 hours. Yeah, for the past 5 hours I've been here. For the past 5 hours I've been here setting her up, you know. Hi, what's up YouTube? How are you doing? Right now I'm on my way to the gym. Today is Thursday. Yeah, I'm gonna get that workout, nice little workout session in today. And then I'll come back and then do some other stuff. Alright? Yeah. Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm gonna go run some errands right now on the road. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, because I certainly am. Know what I mean? Yeah. Let's do this. Hi, what's up? So I just got my paperwork. One for life insurance from Sagicor. Life insurance, critical illness, and investment. See? Yeah, and I feel like with life insurance, say if I die, what life insurance does is if I die, then my children, if I have children, and or my parents, say family, get the money to probably like do whatever they want to do with it. It's a sizable amount of money too. So they get the money to probably bury you and do anything else they want to do with the money. Because you're dead. Dead man tell no tales. They're the ones who's going to make the decision for that. So I got one of those. Next one I got critical illness insurance. So if you're in a hospital, I don't know how it works. I doubt if my hand breaks, I can just go to them and get the money, the large sum of money. I doubt that's what it is. I feel like maybe if you're doing like a surgery, is what it is. It is what it covers. So if you're doing a surgery, you can just go to them and get a sizable amount of money, just like that. So you need a kidney, and you deal with this. You just boom, you get the money just like that, no questions asked. And then they have the investment one. So I have 3 of them, 3 of the paperwork, 3 of the documents. 1, 2, 3. This is blue. This is just a water bottle. And yeah. So the investment. So you invest over a period of time, a specific amount of money you pay per month, and then with inflation, your money interest grows on your money. All right. So over a period of time. And then, so you look into these things if you want to get involved in them. I'd recommend them to my viewers because, you know, we're family. I want you to live life at its best. All right. So, get yourself insurance, and get yourself the insurance, life insurance, critical injury insurance, and your investment, and do that. Okay. Because that's what I do. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you're having a good day. I'm gonna go to insurance to check on some information right now for my car insurance. So I'm just running errands today. So I'm gonna check on my car insurance right now, and I'll let you know. I'll be back in like, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I remember when I was broke. Now I'm not so poor no more. You know, I'm just outside vlogging. I have to give thanks. I'm in New Kingston, by the way. I don't know if you can see what's happening. I need a filter for my camera so you don't see the sunlight beaming in the screen like that. You know what I mean? But the filter is about $100. And it doesn't sell in Jamaica. So I'm probably gonna have to get one of the bros to buy one and bring it, and they're forwarding in, okay? But for now, I'm going to the insurance place. Okay? Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, so that's it for me for the day. That's it for all of my errands. I'm gonna go back home now, chill, probably get something to drink, and just chill up a bit. Know what I mean? Yes, I'm back home now. But more day, my shirts them feel tight, like emotions them get big. Chest feel. My shirt them feel smaller. Like me stop wear medium and now like a large me thing there, you know. See? Yeah, so I'm here chilling. I'm just gonna watch some anime and drink some water and just chill a little bit, chill out a little bit. Turn on the AC, let it run. Yeah, and just chill. Yeah, so thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Maybe later on I'm gonna touch the road, have a drink at Care or up here up on the road up at TGIF or someplace like that, okay? Yeah. Leave a like, comment, subscribe out here.